Hi, I used extremely simple Python to create this video, so don't worry if you don't know anything about programming or Python. If you follow this video, you'll have a working Python application in a few days. Python is a user-friendly programming language, great for beginners. It helps you give instructions to your computer, like printing messages or doing math. Python code is simple to read, almost like regular English. You don't need to learn complex jargon. You can use Python to build games, create art, or develop websites. It's a versatile tool for many projects. In Python, indentation helps organize your code. It's like creating neat code blocks. Python is in high demand in fields like web development, data science, and artificial intelligence. Learning Python opens doors to exciting career opportunities. So, let's get started with Python and explore its endless possibilities. It's your coding companion. The Python print function is like talking to the computer. It displays text or data on the screen. By putting what you want to show in the parentheses, like print hello, world, you make the computer say, hello, world, and start a new. The Python input function lets us ask the user for information. When we use it, the computer waits for the user to type something and then stores that input for us to use. In Python, the float function helps turn numbers or strings into floating point numbers. This is useful when you want to perform decimal point arithmetic or convert data into a numerical form. In Python, the f string is a way to easily create formatted strings by embedding variables or expressions within curly braces. It simplifies the process of combining text and values, making it a useful tool for displaying dynamic content in a clear and concise manner. The first step is to install Python on your computer, which is a fairly easy and straightforward process. Okay, so, simply copy and paste these commands into the Windows command prompt window according to the instructions provided once you have successfully installed Python. Following that, you must make a few files and directories, so just follow these instructions. Lastly, run your code in a few simple steps. Here are some examples to help you understand. To utilize this code, simply copy and paste it into the app.py file on the Python code that you created before.